Hi, welcome to A Sacred Journey with LaShonda. And I am LaShonda, and I'm super excited that you joined me here today. On this channel, we connect and reconnect to our essence, one sacred step at a time. So today I really wanted to touch base with you guys about when you wake up or you're going through your day and you feel kind of confused and you feel like, I just can't get it together. Sometimes the best thing for you to do is take a deep breath and to pause and kind of connect to your intuition and maybe take divine action. And I say maybe, but I'm really kind of pushing you. Take divine inspired action. You may be led to do something other than what you planned. Now, if you work a regular 9 to 5 and you have to check in and you have to do what you have to do, I understand that. You may need to go to work and you may need to take just a minute away and catch a breath and kind of center yourself and go back to the task at hand. But if you have the flexibility of doing something else, sometimes the best thing you can do for yourself is to take a pause. Because you taking a pause kind of gets you reconnected to yourself, takes the brain away from the to-do list and all the other things that are going on during your day that you feel like are kind of occupying your brain, and you can't get that creative thought going and you can't kind of put things together and they're not in sync. That pause from your regular day can inspire you so much and can really give you the ideas that you need and can recharge that battery so that you can do the things that you need to do. Maybe just not in that moment. You need to take a break away. So you guys see me, I'm in my car. I took a break today for a moment. I needed to just get away. I needed to be in this beautiful sunshine and recharge the battery and reconnect. And now I'm going back to actually sit down and do some concrete work that I plan to do today. But this is just a tip for you. So really, if you have the flexibility in your day to kind of not do what you planned because you just can't get it together, you need to pause. Really do that for yourself. Give yourself permission to pause from the to-do list and all the tasks at hand to just take some time to connect with yourself. And sometimes it's as simple as taking a breath. Other times it's maybe taking a walk. You may go to the gym. However you connect. It may be prayer and meditation. But sometimes you need to do that first before you go into the task at hand of the day, because you need to make sure that you're going in there with the clear mind, because we always have a mind that's working, right? But we need that clear mind to make sure that we work with ease and we're not always pushing and hustling. A lot of times why we push and hustle is because we don't have that clear mind and we're just doing and going, but we haven't gotten divine ideas and divine actions to take. Because when you take those divine ideas and divine actions, everything is simpler. It is so much easier, I should say. When you take divine action, you don't feel like you're beating your head against the wall because the doors are opening for you. The divine loves you and wants you to do things with ease. It doesn't want you to struggle and to stress with things. It wants ease for you, that peace and being in flow, that feminine energy of being in flow. So remember that if you have the opportunity, get connected and then take divine action. If you want more information about like taking divine action, how to get in tuned, I have another video and I'll link that at the end so that you guys can see a full-on video about inspired action and all that entails. But if you guys I would love for you to comment below. Tell me, how do you get yourself back together when you're feeling kind of out of sorts and things aren't right? What do you do to get yourself back in sync where you can hear divine ideas and divine inspiration? Share that with your sisters. We would love to hear your tools, the techniques that you use, because who knows, you may help out somebody else today. Guys, have a phenomenal day. And remember, you deserve that. Take care. I'll see you soon.